Okay guys, let's make a sandwich. It's Sunday, so let's make a cheese avocado tomato sandwich. So as you can see, I'm using this bread today. Yes, it was in the freezer, so kind of difficult to take off. So here we have some tomato, and I have a little piece of avocado from yesterday, so we're going to work with that today. So we're going to put some butter on one side of the bread and on the other side, and we're going to toast it in the pot. So we're just placing it in the pot, right? So, and then we're going to add our tomatoes right in the pot. We're going to add the avocados just like that. I'm not going to cook the avocado, I'm just need the two sides of the bread to toast it up. And then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese also in it, like so, as much cheese as you want. And I have some red onions from yesterday. I'm going to add it also to my sandwich. The next step of the bread on top, and then we're going to push it down like so, and then we're going to flip it. Okay guys, so I lift up back my top of the bread because I forget my spinach, my baby leaf spinach. How can I forget that? And then I'm going to place back it down. So now is the time I'm going to flip my sandwich. Look at that, guys. Okay guys, so it's finished. Place it there. We're going to slice it. Look at that. We're going to church. Okay guys, so let me eat my sandwich.
How does it taste?
Delicious.
Ooh.
You want?
What it has in it, avocado? I don't want the avocado. I don't eat avocado before.
Wow, actually I made two. It tastes so good. And here I have a cup of coffee. Beautiful. Anyway guys, let me go finish to eat my sandwich and get ready to go to church. Get into it. Get into it. Get into this delicious sandwich.